Greetings! In this video, we'd like to talk a little bit about how we spend the $16 million maintenance and operation levy money. You might have heard it called the supplemental levy, but it hardly is supplementing what we have in our general budget. What we see are basic necessities being paid for out of this money. Of our non-employee related expenses, the state funds only cover 14% of those costs. The supplemental levy is critical to making up that gap. Here are some examples. We currently spend about $1.7 million per year on textbooks, novels, and online classroom resources, but only 10% of that cost is covered by the state. Our security program costs over $500,000 per year, and 74% of that is paid for from the local levy. School building maintenance, custodial, and other operational costs like utilities cost us over $3 million per year, but the state covers about 1/5 of that need. School supplies add up to a $750,000 a year expense, and every single dollar of that comes from the local levy. Currently, we spend about $575,000 a year on technology. The state covers 14% of that expense. And there are other types of spending in which we get no help from the state, including the replacing of school buses, our support for the K-Tech Kootenai Technical Education Campus, our Medicaid match, legal fees, and software. It's clear that the local levy is a lifeline to the functioning of the school district, and without those funds, we would have to make significant cuts to function properly. And as much as the levy helps us deliver the level of services that we want to deliver in the community and meet the needs that the community expects from us, there are still other areas in which we feel that pinch still. We see unmet needs in mental health services, school security, and training opportunities for teachers and staff. We pay teachers and classified employees at a level that is not as competitive as some of our neighbors. Idaho traditionally has been on the low end of the pay scale for school employees. Here in North Idaho, we are seeing a growing gap between what teachers can make here and what they can earn across the state line in Spokane County and Washington. Our teachers earn just under $36,000 per year in their first year on the job, while in Spokane, a starting teacher will make $49,000. At the top end of the salary scale, a Spokane teacher can earn $99,000 per year. That's $32,000 more than the top end of the Coeur d'Alene Public School salary schedule. Understandably, this makes it really difficult to hold on to quality teachers when they can go across the state line and make a substantial more amount of money. We desperately need to keep our best teachers here because we all know the most important factor in a child's education is a quality teacher.